Hello and welcome to May 14th, 2025. Good morning to you. Today is May 14th, 2025. Overcast. And in the 20-something Celsius. Dogs barking. Per usual. I found the strawberries down below the deck. I brought them up. I have some green onions from 2 years ago. They keep coming back. And my bonsai tree is leafed out now. Let's see. You can see the radishes now. I have summer squash over here with tulle on the top. I have summer squash over there with tulle on the top. I've got a yellow version and two green versions. I've got radishes and pea pods. The radishes are up, the pea pods aren't up yet. So I threw some potatoes down there about 3 weeks ago, and they were still there. So I planted them in the box that's covered with the bricks on top. Things are starting to come alive in my garden. I have a lot of work to do, but right now I need to sow seeds. And I don't know if the first part of this video even recorded, so I might have to do it again. I need to take care of my hydrangea and cut some of the old flower buds away. And my peonies, I need to deal with that over there. I need to get the old stuff away. And I may plant in this wooden planter this year. I don't know what yet. But it's usually pointless because of the chipmunks. But that is so far the, it's not lilac, what is it? I can't think. It smells pretty. It's starting to leaf out. Oh, what is it? I can't think what it is. Oh well.